Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a captivating picture drawing. To begin, select a high-quality reference photo with clear details and good lighting. Next, prepare your drawing surface. A smooth paper, perhaps a 4 or a 3 size, works well. Finally, gather your drawing tools, including a range of pencils from hard to soft, a kneaded eraser, and a ruler. A strong start sets the foundation for a successful drawing. Now, let's establish accurate proportions using the grid method. Overlay a grid onto your reference image, then replicate it precisely onto your drawing paper. Use a ruler to ensure each square is exactly 1 inch by 1 inch, for example. Lightly sketch the major shapes and outlines you see within each corresponding grid square. This technique helps maintain correct scale and placement throughout your drawing process. With your grid in place, start sketching the main features. Focus on the eyes, nose, and mouth, ensuring their placement is accurate within your grid squares. Gradually refine the contours of the face and hair, adding subtle details that capture the subject's unique expression. Once your outline is complete and you are satisfied, carefully erase the grid lines, leaving only your detailed sketch. The final step is adding depth and realism through shading. Begin by identifying the light source and the darkest shadow areas. Use a range of pencil pressures to create different tonal values, from light grays to deep blacks. Blend your strokes smoothly to achieve realistic skin textures and soft transitions. This careful shading will bring your drawing to life, giving it a three-dimensional quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.